All right, hey gang, back again tonight. Remember we did this last night? I passed my phone around to our diamond group and we're gonna do it again. Although this group's a bit fucking loud. I mean, gosh darn louder. Because John Smith's here tonight, being noisy. But I'm going to pass the phone around like I did last night because these guys invested significantly in their education in a market where it was probably many people in this industry, in real estate, are saying it's the toughest market they've seen in their entire careers. And these guys took a leap of faith 12 months ago to make that not the case for them. So last night we passed the phone around to them and got their thoughts really on the last day of a 12-month insane journey. So I'm going to do that. So this first person's named Joe. I'm going this way. But the first person on this side had a hand out saying, gimme. No. There you go. This is who you'll get last, but this is Joe, everyone. There you go.
Hi guys, how you going? Yeah, what a journey this has been. 12 months has gone by. It's been just a blast, and these guys are the ones we're in the group with. Have just been really inspiring to work with. We've learnt a lot from each other and been very supportive to each other, and yeah, so it's just been wonderful. I don't know how I can explain it in words because I'm just blown away by the experience and I've loved every minute of it. I'm sad it's over in a way, but we're all going to stay friends and keep helping each other out with our businesses, and we'll keep working with Glenn and Aaron. So nice. Now I'll hand you over to Davina.
Come on, David.
Hi everybody. Well, ironically, I couldn't be happier with my journey. It's just something sometimes you have to go through, and I know that I'm going to be flying and very happy with all of it. So I'm going to pass you over to John.
John Smith, the troublemaker. Woo-hoo.
Hey guys, John Smith here. It is my real name, Aaron. Guys, look, between Aaron, Glenn, and everyone else, certainly get you out of your comfort zone and push you to all new limits and levels, and certainly looking forward to the journey ahead, as well as, and I couldn't be happy with the journey that we've been through this last 12 months.
Where'd you end up, man? What'd you do in the year, man? You did
guys, the last 12 months, I was in a shitty job. I shouldn't say that, but I was in a job I'm very unhappy with. These guys pushed me to a whole new level, started a business, a new brand, currently holding 7 listings and getting higher fees, and we're doing it all for ourselves.
Good job, man.
Happiness with my personal life as well. My wife's also 8.5 months pregnant right now at home. She should be here with us right now.
That's on the phone.
But guys, yeah.
Possibly in the hospital.
Yeah, possibly in the hospital. I haven't spoken to her all day. Anyway, I'm going to pass you to Lisa Macklin, one of our partners in crime.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Hi, I just want to say this has been truly phenomenal. The team that have supported us along the way are beyond. You can't imagine what we've learnt, what we've been given, and the journey's really, it's not ending, it's just beginning. We've all come so far, and like we're climbing a mountain, and I feel we're just at the bottom, and the world is literally our oyster, and it's thanks to these amazing guys, so we can't thank you enough. So I'm going to pass you on to Hamzy.
Hamzy, of course.
Hamzy, of course.
Hey guys, why is it that?
Oh, he's here.
There we go. Hey guys, Hamzy Obeda here. Wow, what a 12 months. Can't believe it. You know, when you test yourself and you think, I don't know, I can't. Working with these guys, hell yeah, you can. Seek to sort, known to famous, cheap to elite, name it. But besides that, just the knowledge and the experience. Knowledge is power. It's something you take with you to your grave. So, on that note, I'll say, there's no way I can thank these guys, Glenn, Aaron, Naomi, working with them. It's just amazing. I'm speechless. So thank you guys, and now I'll pass you to Jan. Aaron. Sorry, I didn't know you.
Oh, here we go, huh? Hamsy's speechless. Fuck me, that's pretty good, isn't it? Jesus Christ. Business, life, you know, results don't lie. Hanging out with these guys and seeing how these guys are kicking ass is huge. And in a market where people are running for the hills and burying their heads, you know, these guys are ready to dominate, and they already have. That's the best part about it. They already have. So it's been amazing hanging out with these guys and seeing what these guys are getting done, which has been awesome. Business, life, you can't ask for anything more. Good people, good food, and huge increases in their business as well. So your turn, my love. What are your thoughts, huh? Just made your flight as well.
Yeah.
Just made her flight. Goodness me.
Just made my flight. Bottom left. So Jan here, Jan Tomilty, I have to say that the Yanks have got nothing over this Aussie team when it comes to, what's that man's name, Tony something or other in America? No, he's nothing compared to our Aaron Sansoni and Glenn Twiddle and Naomi Twyford-Rogers team. It really has been the most phenomenal 12 months. It wasn't what I would call a cheap exercise, but I have to say it was more than value for money. It pushed my overwhelm limits well and truly. I've bounced up and down all around with what's been expected from us. But the growth, both professionally and personally, personal for me, has been, you know, more than I ever could have imagined. So I would like to say thank you to the guys for the most incredible experience I have been through in many years. Thanks, guys.
Wow, thanks, Jan.
So I'm last, it's me.
So Gnomes is our implementation guru.
Absolutely. So look, it's been...
She does all the work.
It's been an amazing journey, 12 months with these guys, and I tell you what, it's actually an honour and a privilege to take agents, and especially our diamond agents, through this process and through this journey with them. And some it's been a professional journey, some it's been a personal journey, and for some it's been absolutely both. So it's been an amazing 12 months, and to be able to sit back tonight at the end of it and see the results that everybody has been able to achieve in 12 months is it's fantastic. I love it. It's a real buzz.
Oh, well,
Your
okay.
turn.
I had a
Back
mouthful
to you.
of salmon. Hey, Hamsy, my man up the end there, right? My man up the end, Hamsy, just gave me a Parker pen. We don't ask for anything from these guys. We certainly don't even imply, hey, you owe us gifts. No chance. Well, a group of guys not so long back got me a bloody Harley Davidson, the maniacs, but I got this Parker pen from Hamsy, and he had inscribed on it, and this is the interesting thing, because with agents leaving the industry in droves, given that the odds of making it as a listing and selling real estate agent used to be about 10 to 1 to just make it 2 years, and in the toughest market that the industry's ever seen, what if the odds were 100 to 1 to just make it in the industry? Then the odds of performing at the levels that some of these guys are doing already, let alone some of the the years that are to come now that these systems and skills are installed, the odds of them doing what they have already done and are going to do, if you take that on board, if the odds of just staying in the industry might be 100 to 1, then the odds of doing what they're doing are thousands to 1. And the odds of them doing what I know some of them are going to do, that seven-figure mark, that $1 million mark, the odds of doing that are against them. And Hamsy had inscribed on this pen my favourite saying. I don't know if I said it, but I know I said it, I just don't know if I coined the phrase, and others have probably said it better. But he had written on there, if the chances are 1 in a million of getting it done, be the one. So that freaking, someone's got to be the one, otherwise it's impossible. And I love that saying, and this will be a treasure gift I'll take with me for a long time. So Hamsy, thank you, my man. And you guys, thank you very much for that. Give it up to our gang. There you go. All right, so Facebook Lives, don't let this bullshit market be your excuse to leave. Come on, you can do it. Doesn't take that much to really put in a whole lot, and you can earn a disproportionate amount of income based on the effort that it takes. So you can do it. All right, I'm going to go have a beverage, raise a glass to these fine group of people. Thanks a million, guys, for letting me be hanging out with you guys. Thanks to my cohort up there in crime, Mr. Aaron Sansoni. And all right, guys, we'll see you soon.